course, after a long day, I gotta stay healthy. Anyways, my G, now, what I want you to make your habit is whenever you make a beat, it's all about sound selection, all right? You need to select the right sounds, all right? Angifuni ukuthi uphile with that myth of you can take an okay sound and make it better later, or you can take a horrible sound and make it better later. That's bull, my nigga. I'm gonna tell you right now. All right. So let's get to it. We're gonna do drums, and I'm gonna teach you how to create trap drums. Usually on trap drums, the okay tempo, which is like the standard tempo, is around 30, 35. Let's make 35, right? And open the metronome. If you didn't watch my first video, this is where all your sounds are gonna go on a channel rack. And a channel rack usually comes on like this. Hold on a second. With a bar, 4 beats. That's why you get this space of gray, red, or maroon, whatever, and gray, and then red. That's a bar. In the bar, there are 4 beats. These are beats. And when you play the metronome, it's gonna count how many beats. So it's gonna count how many beats in the bar are there. Do you get me? If you don't, I'm sorry. The tempo counts on how many beats in the bar are gonna be. All right, mangaka zuzu shama pizza mangaka. This is the beat. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That's a bar. All right. On the fourth, it's a bar. 1 2 3 4. That's a bar, as you can see here. Now, creating a trap beats, it's, as I said, it's all about sound selection. Let's go to Organic Beat Sounds. You've probably got that if you watched the first video. And kicks. Now, I already know what kick I want to use, all right? But you can go through them and see the kick that you like the most. This works. You already know the kick that you want, all right? And go to snares right here. We're only going to need, I want this one. Kick, snare, hi-hats, close hi-hat, and maybe just one cymbal. All right. Now, kick. I did teach you how to make drums, right? Well, if I didn't, sorry. I'm gonna stretch this to open 4 bars. 2 bars. I'm sorry. 2 bars. Okay. And I put the kick here on the first, and the snare here. I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you the science of why has to be like this. I do not know. This is how I know it. It's better when you put it here. This is the safest place to put your snare. You can try to be super creative and put it on other places, but to do these type of beats I'm about to do, it's safe to put it here or here. All right. But right now I'm gonna put it right here on the other gray. So the first gray is a kick, and the second gray is a snare. The first gray is a kick. The second gray is a snare. Let's listen to that. Okay. Let's do boom. Che, boom, che. All right. The metronome is just to guide you that you go on the rhythm. All right. But I'm gonna close it because now, I would advise you whenever you make a beat to first beatbox the drums that you want to do, like beatbox the rhythm you want to do. Don't just do random. It's like maybe you're thinking of boom. Yo, so let's do that, like boom. Alright, boom. Boom. Okay. Wait, no. No, it's not going. Okay. Now, you can either, on the hi-hats, you can either click on each step to make it ta 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 ta, or you can just right click here and say fill each 2 steps. That way you can fill the rest of it. Okay. Now let's say I want it to sound like this on the first pattern, and then I want it to change after. Here's what I want you to build this habit as well, that you always use it on the song mode. All right. Don't put everything here on the channel rack. So now we're gonna title this. Let's come here and right click on it. Where is this? Rename in color. We're gonna title this drum 1 for no reason. And click on this arrow down here. This down arrow, and then go to clone. Now you're gonna clone this pattern. Now you have drum 1.2. You see? when you go to pattern 1, it's the same drums. Pattern 2, it's going to be the same drums. Now you want to change this to sounds like something else, like living people. I was being yeah. So now I'm gonna change it. Okay. Now let me change this. Let me put this. Yeah. Yeah. You see? Now let's come here to song mode. In song mode, now you right click here. We want to put so that we can listen to pattern 1 and pattern 2 back to back. You come here, right click on it, and then select drum 1, which is pattern 1, and then you paste it here. All right, and then you can come up here again, select drum 2, which is pattern 2, drum 1.2, because we cloned it. And then you can click, just paste it here. If you want to listen in song mode, you come to this button right here, this down arrow, yin yang type of ish. If it's on, that means you only listen to you're only going to play back what's in a channel rack. When it's off, it's on song mode. And how you're going to see that it's on song mode, by this, let me open this wide, by this pointy play thingy here. You see, it's on song mode. When I click this, it's on. Now it plays only on the channel rack, and as you can see, I cannot see here. So this is much easier when you want to listen to different patterns back to back. So we just go on song mode and play this. Alright, and this right here is like 2 bars. Alright, and let's say I want to stretch it out now. Hold down Control and left click drag just to highlight everything. Hold down Control again, left click on this. Okay, hold on. Wait, I messed up. Wait, hold on Control, highlight, hold down Shift, left Shift, and left click on this and drag it. This is to copy and paste. Alright, I love this. This is much better than Bambi's Katasi, whatever. Okay, now I can stretch this to 4 bars now, and then listen to it back to back again. Simple and easy like that, man. And then we can add the symbol wherever we feel like. Let's say I don't want to add the symbol. Let's say I don't want to add it anywhere here. I want it because I want to be able to remove it when I want to and put it back when I want to. This how now you're gonna go to a new pattern. This is pattern 3, a new pattern, and then come back and place it here. This is much better, so you can listen to it as it plays on real time. Come back and place it here, and then just click for it. In order for it to be active, just click on it. Just place one symbol wherever you feel like, and then you can place it. Let's say I want it on the second beat of the bar. I want it here. Wait, sorry, I made a mistake. I put it on a hi-hat. Shit, this is a symbol. Yeah. See, now I can just drag this, left Shift again, and drag it. Just copy and paste. Highlight, Control, left click, drag to highlight, left Shift, and then click drag to copy and paste. That's it. Now let's just say I want the first hi-hats to do the roll thing. What is it called? Yeah, the hi-hat roll. Like, now, the only way I can do this is where I have to go to step sequencer. All right, open piano roll. Let's go to not the step sequencer, the piano roll. Open piano roll. Let's say, let me see where I want that to happen. Yeah, I want it to happen here. That was in here. I want it to go. So I'm gonna highlight this. Just left control, drag, and left control L, long. Now left control U. You first have to select the snap to grade if you want to go half step or quarter step, etc. And then now let's play that back. Yeah, that's what I want to do. simple as that, man. I'm done for now. That's just it. That's just it on drums. And then when we come back, we're gonna put the chords and then the melodies and then the bass and then show you how to mix it. All right. So until next time on the episode of Drugging. Okay, I'm sorry, man. I got carried away. But until I see you next time and on the next episode of Len FO Studio with this nigga right here. This is he this nigga right here?
Organic,
Whatever,
baby.
I can wait until I'm stupid rich. I'll be balling on that overtip.